Hi everybody, I'm Amy Katrianne and Get the Gloss Girls dared me to do my makeup within 7 minutes, and I wanted to do like a bold look. So I'm gonna try and do that and we'll see how far I get. I honestly am the slowest person at doing my makeup. Like, it will probably take me normally 40 minutes to do this kind of makeup look. So it might look a bit messy, but we'll give it a go. So I've got my timer and I will press start on my timer and we'll see how far I make it. Ready? Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is my skin. I try and use products that I can just use my fingers if I'm doing like a really quick makeup look. Just because it's easier to blend out. So I'll use like thinner products. I won't use like a full coverage foundation because if I don't blend it that well, you'll notice that. And that won't be cute. So that was the Charlotte Tilbury primer. I'm now using the Double Wear Light by Estee Lauder. And it's just so quick to like massage in. I'm being quite rough on my skin. I'm rougher with like my skin than what I would tell you guys to be with yours. I'll be the one with the wrinkles. And then I'll do down my neck just to blend it in and cover that spot up. Okay, so that's base nearly done. I'm just going to use a cream balm contour. This one is Danessa Myrix. Where's my contour brush? I'm going to try and not panic, because when I panic, that's when I go wrong. So a bit too much there, but that's fine. You can blend that in. Just take your hand with the foundation on and blend that way. I'm going for like I said, like a summer glowy. I want to do like a yellow eye, I think. We need to contour the nose because that makes such a difference. I try and focus on like the things that make a difference with makeup. Okay, so then now concealer. We're already on 4 minutes. And I think I'll have to forget the brows. The brows take me the longest. So we'll just have to forget about those. Oh, go, go, go. Do you know what I find really hard? Talking and doing makeup. That's why I'm just absolutely, well, the worst on YouTube, because when I'm concentrating, I'm just so focused that I can't talk. My brain just doesn't work. Okay, so then now I'm just gonna take this Yellow Pot by KVD Beauty and just whack this on my eyes. Go, 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 you've got 3 minutes. Wow, it's hard. I'm just gonna take a big fluffy blending brush. You can hear my chair squeaking. And I'm gonna get the yellow eyeshadow with my other hand. It's called multitasking, which I'm not normally good at. And I'm just gonna take all of the yellow shades and just whack that on top. Take some blush. Blend that in. Just make sure that's blended. And then I'm just gonna do a bit of faux freckle. because I always think it makes you look a little bit more done up and a look. And that was just like a root spray. And I'm just gonna get some powder, pop some underneath my eyes, or where the shine is, just take away some of that extra shine. But keep some of it because we obviously want like a glowy highlighted look. I'm gonna do my lips. I'm just gonna blend it out with my finger. So you don't have to worry about being super precise. Go, I've got 1 minute and a half left. Maybe I'll be able to do my brows. Lipstick. Okay, brows. I can do a little bit of brows. So I've got a minute left. And what I'm gonna do is just, this is my Sosu. Where's my mirror? Go. I'm just gonna do this underneath. Oh no, why did that stop? Just gonna do this underneath bit here. I've got 20 seconds left. Do I have time to do mascara? Probably. Go. Oh, it's gonna go 3 minutes. So I just say 3 minutes, 3 seconds. I'm still going off. Okay, let me stop that. Okay, so that was 7 minutes. I feel like I've done alright, you know. I feel like we've done a summer makeup look. I feel like it's not bad. I feel like it could have been worse. I really wanted to get an eyeliner on there, but I just didn't have time, and my brows look a bit like not great, but I think I did alright. So it just shows you that really if you put a timer on in the morning, you can get ready a lot quicker than you think, because I thought normally this would probably take me half an hour to like perfect it and make it look nice, but I would have liked to add a liner, which would have taken me another like 5 minutes probably. But anyway, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys did enjoy me applying all my makeup super quickly. Yeah, like I said, I can't really talk that much, so I don't even know if I said anything throughout this video. I don't know. But anyway, hope you guys have a lovely day, and thank you for tuning in.